How are you preparing or prepared na po ba kayo to be a senator judge for the upcoming impeachment?
I am preparing with my Legis team. We will be consulting with some additional colleagues of theirs from the legal profession. Paano talaga mag-engage ng matalas at epektibo sa impeachment process.
Yung sinasabi ni VP Sara na gusto niya or expecting siya ng bloodbath, are you also expecting na matindi yung bakbakan pagdating ng impeachment trial? Especially because no less than Attorney De Lima po ay isa sa mga prosecutors at isang lawyer.
Well, I'm expecting matindi ang bakbakan sa ipepresent na mga ebidensya. And I'm actually very excited sa process. Unang pagkakataon itong magiging senator judge ako. I've observed trials in courts before. I've been a witness in an impeachment trial before, but first time kong magiging senator judge. So ganyang ka-importante at kabigat para sa akin ito at ganyang kaseryoso kong pinaghahandaan at paghahandaan.
Sana lang ma'am, believer kayo ma'am na pwede talagang tumawid ng diretsyo sa kabilang kongreso kasi may mga senators that they believe na kung yung simpleng bill nga nire-refile, ano pa ba yung impeachment complaint kapag tumawid to another congress na kailangan din daw i-refile. Kayo po, believer kayo na pwede talaga siyang tumawid?
Based on yung mga legal opinions na nabasa ko na, sumasang-ayon ako na pwedeng tumawid. Besides, ang impeachment process, hindi naman siya legislative process. Tulad ng pagdinig at pagpasa ng mga panukalang batas. Hindi siya katulad ng proposed budget na kailangan matapos sa loob ng isang fiscal year. Hindi siya simpleng resolution din na iniimbestiga. Sabi nila, sui generis yan. And kaya naniniwala ako sa mga legal opinions na nabasa ko na pwede siyang tumawid. And I fully expect na yun yung mga ma-uphold pag nag-resume kami ng session at bubuin namin yung rules para sa impeachment trial na ito.
Sa legalities and realm of possibilities, pwede ba na ipadismiss na daw yung impeachment case against BP Sara o mandated kayo na mag-trial?
Mandated kami mag-trial and hindi madi-dismiss pero masasettle lang yan on the vote, whether to convict or to acquit.
Okay. Bibilin and then Camille.
Senator, we are very happy that you are really preparing for this, considering this is your first time. May naganap po in the first impeachment na hindi inaasahan ng marami. Merong pinapabukas na bank statement. And I was just wondering if you're also preparing for an off-the-cuff scenario, an extreme scenario. Halimbawa, may bank statement na hindi mapabukas. May mangyaring extreme. It's a different scenario. Are you also preparing for that kind of setting? Thank you.
Well, unforgettable nga, di ba, yung hindi pagpapabukas sa so-called second envelope sa unang impeachment process na iyan. But I'm preparing more for a regular impeachment process this time around, or I'm hoping for a regular impeachment process. I'm hoping for no extreme circumstances and therefore extreme reactions. I'm hoping na the Senate will be able to fulfill our constitutional duty in a regular manner. Oo, para ma-deliver naman sa taong bayan yung prosesong dinedemand ng konstitusyon.